Hello, today we are going to solve question number 37 from IIT JAM 2020 Mathematical Statistics. Question number 37 means this is a problem from section B, hence this is a MSQ type question. MSQ type question means multiple selection type questions where we are given 4 options and among these 4 options more than one can be true. So we need to find all the correct options among the given options to get the full marks. Okay, so let's try the problem. Here given that x1, x2, xn be IID normal 0, 1 random variables, then which of the following statements is or are true? Okay, so get into the solution. x1, x2, x3 is IID normal 0, 1 by the question. Now let's check the first option. So first of all, we evaluate x2 square plus x3 square. Now as x2 and x3 both are normal 0, 1, therefore this implies x2 square plus x3 square is chi-square 2. Now x1 divided by x2 square plus x3 square divided by 2 is t with degrees of freedom 2. Therefore we get root over 2 x1 divided by root over x2 square plus x3 square is t2. Hence option A is correct. Now let's check the next option. Now let define a random variable x2 plus x3 which is nothing but normal 0, 2. Therefore we can write x2 plus x3 divided by root over 2 is normal 0, 1. Okay, now x2 plus x3 whole square divided by 2, it is chi-square with degrees of freedom 1. Now we can write x1 divided by root over x2 plus x3 whole square divided by 2, this is t1. Or we can write root over 2x1 divided by root over x2 plus x3 whole square is t1, or root over 2x1 divided by modulus of x2 plus x3 is t with degrees of freedom 1. Hence option B is also correct. Now let's check the third option. In the third option, we are given x1 minus x2 whole square divided by x1 plus x2 whole square. So first of all, we define two random variables x1 minus x2 and x1 plus x2. They both follow normal 0, 2. Now let's check whether they are independent or not. As we can see, the covariance results in 0, hence x1 minus x2 and x1 plus x2 are independent. Okay, now x1 minus x2 divided by root over 2 whole square divided by x1 plus x2 divided by root over 2 whole square follows f1, 1. As x1 minus x2 divided by root over 2 whole square is chi-square 1 and x1 plus x2 divided by root over 2 whole square is also chi-square 1. Therefore the ratio follows f with degrees of freedom 1, 1. Therefore we can write x1 minus x2 whole square divided by x1 plus x2 whole square follows f1 comma 1. Hence option 3 is also correct. Now let's check the last option, that is sum over xi square is chi-square 2 or not. As we know that x1, x2, x3 they are IID normal 0 comma 1. Hence x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square, it must be chi-square 3. Therefore sum over xi I equals to 1 to n is chi-square 3. Therefore option D is the wrong answer. Hence only A, B and C are correct. So we have solved this problem, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.